So as you scaled the 150 channels, you've put constraints in, you've implemented tools like Thena, you have internal channels. Tell us about that, because we do the same thing at Branch, but some companies don't have an internal channel matching to each external channel that they have. Tell us the thought process there and the benefits that you see from doing that.
Yeah, absolutely. So it actually starts with the salesperson. So when sales is going through a trial, we have like numbering, pre-sales actually allowing you to have sections within Slack, but numbering for onboarding. So we call it onboard when a customer or a prospect is going through the trial. And then when a prospect becomes a customer, we switch it over to a little cheesy hugs. We're embraced, like to hug a developer, so it's the hugs channel for all current internal customers. And then, so we have all of the history from the sales process in the Slack channel. The CSM has access to all of that. We use the description to say who's the salesperson on the account, who's the CSM on the account. And then we can also link to Salesforce, to any documentation that we have to try to keep it super organized. And so we do a lot of our handoff work within Slack. I think, again, when new people join and they aren't used to that and they're used to getting all of their details in Salesforce, it can be a little bit of an adjustment, learning how to best navigate Slack and search for things. But I think once you pick it up, it actually is great to have, the place that you're working in throughout the day is going to be the place where you're able to search for all the information that you need as well.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of that as well. Kind of the place where you are, rather than having to go to a separate system, especially if, you're a CSM and you're not too comfortable with Salesforce, having to navigate around that versus getting everything right where you are. Okay. I do want to come back to some of the stuff around communities, around implementations and onboarding. We'll come back to that.